In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add presets to Lightroom Mobile in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want a faster editing workflow, a more consistent look across your photos, or you simply want to install preset files like DNG or XMP and start using them inside the Presets panel. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tips and mobile editing guides. Now, let's get into it. First, open Lightroom Mobile on your phone. From the home screen, look for the option to add photos. Tap Add Photos, then choose from Files. This is the easiest way to import a preset file that you already downloaded to your device. Now browse through your files and select the preset file. Depending on what you downloaded, it may be a DNG file or an XMP file. Once the file is imported, open that photo inside Lightroom. This is important because the preset settings are attached to that image. After the photo opens, tap the three dots in the top corner to bring up the menu. From that menu, select Create Preset. Lightroom will now ask you to name the preset, so give it a clear name that you'll remember later. Next, you'll see a list of settings that can be included in the preset. Make sure the settings you want are selected. If you're using a preset file that came with specific adjustments, this is where you confirm what gets saved. Once everything looks right, tap the check mark or Save to finish creating the preset. Now your new preset will appear in the Presets tab. Look under Yours or User Presets, and you should see it saved there and ready to use. From here, you can apply it to any photo with just one tap, which makes editing much faster and more consistent. And that's how to add presets to Lightroom Mobile. If this saved you time, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Lightroom Mobile tutorials, photo editing tips, and beginner-friendly workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.